I'm Tim from New Perspectives Music. I make guitars, and I also have a company called Square Tools where I make some tools. And I'm here to tell you why I'm really actually kind of annoyed with bench critters. And the reason is they thought of it first, because this is a problem that's irked me since day one. You know, when I'm putting finish on some things, and I want to use maybe like a painter's pyramid, and then this little point inevitably always leaves a little mark in the wood that I got to deal with. Or if I'm using one of these softer bench discs, like I'll sometimes get that little print in my finish that I'll have to buff out. It'll be some extra work for me. Or if I spill a little epoxy on it, heaven forbid, the thing's wrecked now. This whole side's all scratchy and hard. And so Bench Critters came up with a solution with this wonderful product here. And these are the ones that I've been using, and they're filthy because I'm using them all the time. They're made of silicone, so none of the finishes stick to them, and they have all these different sides and shapes. They're totally smooth, and they solve all the problems that I've always had with these other old-fashioned methods of holding work while I'm trying to put finish on them or even sand them and stuff like that. So thanks, Bench Critters, for making something great, but I'm a little bit annoyed that you beat me to it.